Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious dessert, a traditional dessert from Cuba, and it's called Buñuelos. And Buñuelos are eaten during Christmas, holiday, and New Year. Hola mis amores, bienvenido a mi cocina. Hoy traigo una receta muy deliciosa, muy tradicional en Cuba. Preparamos cada año para las navideñas Buñuelos. So the ingredients I'm going to be using for this recipe are two boiled yucas, and some people, they mix boniato with it, or some people mix malanga, but I'm just going to make it simple. So I'm using two yucas boiled, a half a cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 anise stars, 1 egg, salt, about a teaspoon, and I'm using some vegetable oil for frying. Se los comen durante la Navidad y Año Nuevo. So now I'm making the syrup that goes over the buñuelos. So I'm adding 1 cup of water. I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 anise stars, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, para hacer nuestro almíbar o sirope, necesitamos 1 taza de agua, 1 taza de azúcar, 2 ramas de canela, 2 anís estrellas, y 1 cucharadita de vainilla. So you want to boil the water until the water starts to change into a syrup and it starts getting thick. Okay, tiene que hervir el agua hasta que sea espesa. So now I'm going to cut up the yuca, and I'm going to try to cut them in small pieces as I can so that it will speed up the cooking process. Corta las yucas en pequeñas piezas para facilitar la cocina. So you want to remove the cord before you start boiling them, and you want to boil the yuca for about 25 to 30 minutes or until it's cooked. Cocina la yuca hasta que se suave durante 25 o 30 minutos más o menos. So after you mash the yuca, you want to add your egg, and then you want to add some flour to it, and you want to start kneading the dough. Tiene que aplastar la yuca y añadir harina y huevo y amasar la masa por 2 minutos. Add a pinch of salt, and you want to add a little bit of flour so that you don't have any stickiness. Añade unas pizquitas de sal y un poco de harina. Now our dough is ready, and so we're going to pour the dough out onto the table, and we're going to start kneading it for about 2 minutes. Okay, quita la masa del bowl y amasa la masa por 2 minutos. So now you want to take a piece of the dough, you want to roll it out and form a number 8. And the number 8 symbolizes infinity. Ahora, quiere tomar un poquito de masa y forma un número 8. El número 8 es un símbolo de infinito. And I'm just adding a little water on the ends of it so that the dough will stick together. Añade un poco de agua a la masa para que ayudarla a pegarse. So now we're going to start frying our buñuelos. Okay, vamos a freír los buñuelos. And I'm just using vegetable oil to fry the buñuelos. Okay, calentar el aceite usando aceite vegetal, pero puedo usar cualquiera. Cuando esté bien caliente, fríelos hasta dorarlos. Sácalos y pónelos sobre papel absorbente. Okay guys, here are my delicious buñuelos. They look perfect. And now I'm going to add my syrup, the one that I made earlier. I'm going to pour that all over this and enjoy. Aquí tienen mis amigos. Estos son mis ricos buñuelos. Puede comerlos con almíbar, dulce de coco, azúcar en polvo, canela, cualquiera. Son muy sabrosos con café o solos. Well guys, it's time for me to go. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook at Lolita's Cuban Kitchen, and follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Bueno mis amores, es hora para ayudarme. No se olvide suscribirse al canal. Sígueme en Facebook en Lolita's Cuban Kitchen y también en Instagram. Gracias por verme. Bye bye.